Hello friends, and welcome to the 5th installment of Your Food America, a show where we take recipes that you submit and prepare them and share them with you. Today's recipe comes to us from Rose in Dallas, Texas, and is an extremely simple microwave caramel popcorn, but I'll warn you, it's extremely addicting.
First, you want to take a quarter cup of butter or margarine and put it in a bowl. Then, you want to take 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar and put it in the bowl. Then 3/4 cup of miniature marshmallows. Once you're done, take that and put it in the microwave for about 2.5 minutes. Once it comes out, you want to mix all 3 ingredients well together. It may take a little bit of doing and a little bit of time, and it's okay if it doesn't get completely smooth. Then you'll take your 1 bag of popped microwave popcorn and put it in a larger bowl. And then take the ingredients you just whipped together and pour it all over the top. Once you put it over the top, you will mix it all together. At this point, you can also put in pretzels, or nuts, or any other favorite little maybe candy add-ins if you'd like. Once you've mixed it all together, you're done. Enjoy. As always, here are your ingredients. Please make sure to check out our website at www.yourfoodamerica.com or find us on Facebook, YouTube, or Twitter. Thanks and have a great day.